Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VEL Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. Today we're going to be making us the best delicious buffalo chicken sandwich with homemade ranch and buffalo sauce. We're going to jump right into it. I'm going to tell you what I got. I had some seasoning right here. I took half a teaspoon of onion, half a teaspoon of the ginger. I took half a teaspoon of the poultry season. I took a quarter teaspoon of this, because we don't want our stuff salty, okay? So I took a quarter teaspoon of the salt, which is Mediterranean. And Saison Perfect Blend, I took a teaspoon of that. I took a teaspoon of black pepper. I took a half a teaspoon of granulated garlic. And I took a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Alright? Here's your buns. You're going to need your buns. Let me move this stuff out your way so you guys can see what's going on back here. You're going to also need some lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, and this is your egg wash. You're going to need that. And I put all this, it's a cup of flour, and I put all the seasoning in here, along with a tablespoon of cornstarch and a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, now here's my ranch I'm going to be using to make my homemade ranch. This is just sour cream. I like mine a little thick instead of runny. Alright, here's the buffalo sauce. Well, it ain't buffalo yet, it's just Frank's Red Hot Sauce. Okay? I got a cup of that. And I'm going to be using a half of this right here, this butter right here. This is sweet butter, sweet cream butter. Alright? Here's the chicken breast right here. All I did to this chicken breast, I'm going to go ahead and touch it real quick. I really don't want to, because I'm going to have to wash my hand. What I did was, to this chicken breast, I sliced it down the middle, put it in a Ziploc bag, and beat it with this mallet. Okay? That's all I did. I would have done it, but only reason why I didn't do it because it's extremely loud. Okay? So I'm trying to shorten up my videos also. Alright, so guys, I think that's everything. We cover everything. So we're going to go ahead and start putting this stuff together. Stay with me. Do not click from this video. Stay with me and don't miss out in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. All we're going to do is mix up our flour with our seasoning and stuff in it. Reason why you don't want to put a lot of salt and stuff in it, because the hot sauce got salt in it, okay? We just looking for flavors, okay? Alright. Touch this piece off again, so I know what I'm working with. Okay? That's all you're going to do. This is what I'm doing. Okay, you can do what you want to do. I'm just messing with you. Yeah, but this is all you want to do. Just let me know how thick I want it, and also, okay? Like I said, we building on recipes together. Alright, we're going to take them pieces and drop them in the oil. I'm quite sure it's okay though, because I don't have a lot of salt in it, so I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, so you're going to spread this out. Now, take your chicken, put it in your egg batter, like so. So I have 3 eggs in this, and I also have like maybe about 3 or 4 teaspoons of milk. So this is all you want to do. Just coat it up like that. Take your fork or your fingers, And it should take no more than probably about 2.5 minutes. So total cooking time probably about 5 minutes total. Per chicken breast. Okay. So you take that, knock off some of the excess. Take it over there. I'm frying that bad boy. And I'm going to go ahead and finish up these and take you over there. See you in a minute. Okay guys, that's what we got going on. I mean, it took with the lights off. It's a little bright, you know, but it ain't that bright. Turn these lights back on. Now here's a little piece of nuggets I put in there. I'm just going to do one chicken at a time so I can taste it to see how it tastes. Like I said, it should taste decent. Oh, by the way, this chicken has sat in my refrigerator for 3 days, brining. I had brined this chicken for like 3 days, okay? It's just salt and water. And it tastes extremely good. I almost don't want to make a buffalo sauce. For real, for real. It tastes super good. Let me get this other little piece out of here. They're blowing it so you eat it. Alright. Let that cook up. Show you guys what it looks like when I get back. Okay guys, this piece should be done. Ooh, it looks good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take this out. Okay. And juicy. That breast is done. See that? We're going to just put this on a cooling rack. Get started with our other pieces. Alright, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and do a double coating on it. So we're going to come in here with the flour. Just like this. And our egg wash. Let me see if I can put it on this one. Okay? We're just going to come back up in there again. Flip some of this stuff on there if I want to have all this stuff on my fingers. Okay. Just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and slide this in there. See how this one turned out. Take some of this excess off. Here's the one with the double breading. That mother was so tender then it broke apart on me. Get this bad boy again, if I can. See how thick that breading is on there? I don't like all that stuff. I want to be able to taste some meat instead of breading, but at this point, it tastes good anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of these. And then I'll show you guys how to do the buffalo sauce. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Just got through frying up these chicken breasts. Quite a few of them. Okay, this is how they look. Now I did, because I wanted to try it, air fry these two. These are two I air fried. As you well know, they don't get as crispy, but it's juicier. Okay, these are the air fried ones. See how it's coming off? But it's super juicy. Look at that. See? Tastes good too. I just like crispier ones. Okay? I ain't gonna take that one. That look like a good piece. So, this the crispy one. You guys can eat this. Let me eat this one. Alright. Got that done. We're going to go ahead and get started on the buffalo sauce. See you in a minute. First we're going to do is we're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it on my setting. It's going to be 3, so it's medium low. Alright, because we don't want to burn that butter. We want that butter to remain thick. Alright. It's already melted a little bit, so. And since I got that cup, I'm going to go ahead and use this whole thing because I don't want it too hot. Okay. So you're just going to let that melt down. If you want to, you can put this hot sauce in there too. Okay. That's a cup of Frank's hot sauce. Alright. Now if you want it spicy, get you some cayenne pepper. And put that in. A little Tabasco sauce. Now what I will do, because I like a lot of zest, just put a couple of splash like this. Probably like a half teaspoon. That's it. Get you a little sugar, not a lot, just a pinch. Look at this, a pinch, just like this. Trust me when I tell you, it makes a world of difference. That's it. I ain't gonna put no honey in there or nothing like that. That makes a big difference by itself. Alright, so here's my whisk. See how that butter melting down? We want it to be thick. We don't want no runny sauce here. So that's all you want to do. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and let this melt down a little bit more. And then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. You see all my butter is melted. When it gets down to that, you see a little pieces in it. Just go ahead and turn it off. The little heat will melt it the rest of the way. See how thick that is? If you did it like this, that means you did something right. Alright? So just do it just like this. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to go ahead and get started on this ranch. It's simple, very simple. This portion right here, all we need is like a half a teaspoon. Just like that. You want it stronger, you can make it stronger. And when you make this ranch dressing or dipping sauce, you won't buy it no more, I tell you that. We'll get that taste. I'm gonna have to taste with my finger. That's on point. Just enough. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the refrigerator and let this cool down. Then we'll go ahead and start putting this stuff together. Alright, in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these together. Take your buns like this. Take your piece of chicken. Put in the buffalo sauce. Take you some ranch. Put it on there. like that. Okay, slide that up. Take us some onion. Take us some pickles. Just like that. Okay. And we're gonna take some lettuce. Put that on top. I want to give shouts out to Katie Smith from giving me this awesome apron. Katie and Kendall. Okay, I think we're good with this. If you don't know who they are, Kendall's my son, Katie's my daughter-in-law. So we good to come with our meat. Put that bad boy on there like that. Last one. Just like that. Put that bad boy on there just like that. And we just put these on top. Just like that. Then forget one more thing. You don't have to have it, it's optional because it's got red sauce anyway. So it's the tomatoes. Alright, there you go. The buffalo chicken. The best ever buffalo chicken that you're gonna ever get. So guys, please tune in. Next week I'm gonna be making something awesome for you guys. Remember to like, share, and comment, and please hit that bell for the notification so it'll let you know when I'm cooking and uploading the video, okay? Guys, y'all stay strong. Alright? In a minute.